What's up, guys? Biker Dave in a 2017 Dodge Durango RT. This should apply to many different Durango models and possibly other Chrysler products. If you want to enable or disable the braking system when you're backing up the car, it has a sensor in the rear, and if it detects that you're about to bump into something, or if a car is about to cut over into your path, the car will brake for you. So it's a pretty nifty feature. So here's how you get to it. From your main screen, look for the settings button, which for mine is down here, but yours may be in a different location. Just look for settings, or you can go to the apps button here and look for settings. That guy here. Safety and driving assistance, what you're looking for. You should do this with the car running and in park, actually. It'll access other menus. You can only do it with the car in park, though. Okay, arrow down. Rear Parksense braking assist. Check it on or off depending on what you want. It's got a volume button that'll beep when you do it. Parksense, all these will beep, and you can turn it off if you're annoyed by those things, or if you don't want the system altogether, you can uncheck it right there. Pretty nifty features, and just experiment with them, if you like them or not. And just helps you be a little safer, especially if you're in a lot of parking situations where you're worried about cars cutting over and behind you, or people even walking behind you. Even though it does have a camera back there, it just a little helpful stuff for some people who might want it. And if our video helped you out, make sure you click the thanks button underneath the video screen. Shoot us a donation, we really appreciate it. And look for our social media links in the description, and surf through our channel. We got 2,000 videos relating to cars, dirt bikes, ATVs, scooters, all kind of cool stuff around the house, fixing stuff, tips and things, product reviews. There's just so many things, so check it out. And we really appreciate you visiting our channel. Y'all have a great day. We'll see you.